Radio Giornale Bellunese now airing. Daily news from the Belluno province. Welcome to a new edition of the Radio Giornale Bellunese. These are the news from today, January 31st, 2023. Work on Thursday a meeting between mayors, the Veneto region and the unions to discuss about the Safilo situation. The company intends to shut down its establishment in Longarone, where 472 people work. The unions made a request for the situation to be resolved. Sentenced to 2 years and 8 months of imprisonment, a 17-year-old that had been accused of aggravated sexual violence. The event that caused this process happened on January 16, 2020. Belluno assaulted a local police officer. It happened yesterday in Piazza dei Martiri, just before 20, during the control and prevention activities against illegal parking. One of the officers had intervened to calm some people who were talking angrily when one of them assaulted him, causing him to need to be brought to the hospital. The perpetrator has been reported to juridical authorities. The Municipal Council rejected the Minority Councillor Marco Perales' proposal to move from the town hall to the museum a plate for 1519 dedicated to the driving out of the Jews. The plate had been placed there in 1938 as a celebration of the racial laws introduced that year. According to the majority, moving it to the museum would have been an erasure of history. Ultimately, it was decided to leave it where it was. A shop assistant fired herself and turned to the labor inspectorate after claiming that she was being paid less than what she had been promised. She says that she has worked more hours than what she had agreed to and had not been given a corresponding pay, with the justification that the shop didn't earn enough. The inspectorate will clear the situation. Tourists from Rome stuck because of the cold. The man, a 67-year-old, was rescued by the Soccorso Alpino during a walk in Piandalago. The man was led back to his vehicle. Let's see the data on the pandemic in the Belluno province. The weekly incidence rate has become lower than 50 cases every 100,000 people. There are 27 COVID patients in hospitals, all in a non-critical area, 12 of which were unrelated reasons. One death, an 83-year-old woman. Best into sports, another silver medal for René De Silvestro in the World Cup of Paralympic Alpine Skiing in Espot in Spain. It reached the second place in the sitting category slalom. Jesper Pedersen was the one to come first. This is De Silvestro's second silver medal in this competition. Iris De Martin reached 4th place in the Juniors World Cup of cross-country skiing 20km classic competition in Whistler Mountain, in Canada. And that is all for this edition. Wish you a nice day in the company of Radio BM, the Bellunese Il Mondo Association's web radio. You just listened to Radio Giornale Bellunese, daily news from the Belluno province.